Do you think the relationship is based on love? Wake up and watch this video.
Here, hold my hand.
Now?
Do a little spin.
Dude, what's
All right.
Just for a ride.
Yo, relax.
It's literally just
Relax.
for a ride in the car.
I want to take her out. She obviously made her choice. I think it's best if,
You know, we've been having like problems too.
Are you serious?
You guys have
Like
been
right now
pulling
we're
that card
arguing.
right now. Are
We've
you
been
serious?
having those problems.
serious?
Yeah, so I want to go. Maybe we need a break or something. Like that's it.
Wow, so it's like that.
Yeah. What
Wow.
else do you
Listen,
want
man.
me to do?
Hey, it's not my fault. You feel me?
There's like 7 billion people on this planet. Like, you'll be fine.
So
Yes, you must be rich.